So talking about all this food and the classifications and how it's been defined in Ayurveda brings me to a question where I want to know, is there any specific diet for, you can pick any disease. How would an Ayurvedic practice suggest a person to follow a specific diet for any ailment?
Diabetic mellitus. So here Madhumeha. Madhu means honey. So Meha means urine, passing urine. So he is passing something like a honey. That means it is sugar he is passing. Okay, that's why. So here also the same diet. What I have seen, see in Madhumeha, in diabetic, I told you, 3 palas of rice. When that 3 palas has to be reduced, and 1 pala of dal has to be increased. Bring it to equal. Okay, so that should be given. When the patient is given served rice, then you have to serve him with horse gram dal. Anything prepared, very tasty, it should be prepared. It has to be given. See in diabetic, Madhumeha, there are 2 categories of patients. Okay, you might have seen diabetic people nowadays, even the born baby may be diabetic because it is type 1. The islets of Langerhans are absent. The other one, the type 2 diabetic, see one patient will be very hefty, overweight, he is also diabetic. Another person will be very thin and weak, he is also diabetic, type 2 diabetic only. So in this, the treatment will be common, but the first category, the hefty patient, has to be prepared for receiving this treatment. That means he has to undergo Shodhana karma, especially Virechana karma. Okay, it is done whenever the patient is needs Shodhana karma, or in seasonal elimination of doshas. It is done in rainy season. What I have assessed is, it should be given at the atmospheric temperature around 35 degrees centigrade during rainy season. Once in a year it is given. It is simple. This procedure is of 3 stages: pre-procedure, the main procedure, and the post-procedure. In the pre-procedure, assessing his digestive capacity, we give him ghee. How much ghee you take per day?
2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons. You are here assessing the patient and the rate of elimination. So there are 3 categories: Avara, Madhyama, and Pravara. Okay, I will tell you about Pravara. That means we give him so much ghee, melted ghee, cow ghee, that he will not feel hungry for 24 hours. Madhyama is 12 hours. Avara is 6 hours. Okay. The thing is, he will not have appetite. Hunger is vanished, but he develops thirst. Enormous thirsty. Okay. He keeps on asking for water. Okay. Always give hot water. We give him hot water. And another thing I have observed, all the water he drinks, he keeps it in his body, the production of urine will be less. Okay, lot of water he'll take. How much water he takes, in my experience, I have found out, 1 cc of ghee requires more than 10 cc of hot water. That means you give him 100 grams, he will be taking a liter of water. Okay, all that increases the circulating blood. It is circulated, and then it is being, the next day, the Pradhana karma is given Virechana for purging, so entire thing will be flushed out. Then we take him for the treatment of Madhumeha, diabetic. Okay, the last stage, that is the part, that is the post the karma. There we have to give as per the digestion. We have to kindle the digestion, because the digestion will be very less. So there also different varieties, including the rice water, boiled rice water, and then fruits, and even this aja mamsarasa, goat meat soup, and dal soup, everything. And later it takes, to prepare him for normal appetite, it takes some time. Okay, so this is the one. And now here also, for this patient, when he feels thirsty, this, please keep it in your mind or underline it in your mind. When he feels thirsty, to quench his thirst, we have to give him hot water mixed with Triphala. The Triphala, one should always remember Triphala. Okay, Triphala is a very important thing in diabetic. So Triphala water is given. Amla juice water. You know Amla?
Yes.
Amalaki, Nalikai. Amla juice. In Triphala also Amalaki is there. They are all dried form. If fresh is available, you can give fresh juice in water, added with honey. See, added with honey. Little honey you had, and you have to give. So this is the intake of water when he feels thirsty. Okay, and another most important is vyayama, exercise. He has to do exercise. This disease comes because of asya sukha, swapna sukha, dhadini, gramya, audaka, pranipakshi. That means always sitting, always sleeping, no worry at all. Okay, and then eating lot of milk and milk products, including curds. Okay, eating navadanya. Navadanya means always to use the rice, it should be 1 year old. So here they eat the regularly, if they use navadanya, fresh yield rice within 1 year. Okay, and then the caged birds, caged animals, anupa. Anupa means marshy animal. That is, it may be pork, it may be a buffalo. Okay, all these. So with that they get.